Welcome to Module 4, Topic 1 on Maintenance Schedule. In the previous module, you covered safety procedures, workshop design layout, implementation of workshop layout, maintenance methods, and their applications. And now, learner, explain what is a workshop. What are the 4 major workshop maintenance methods? And now, learner, let us look at workshop maintenance schedule. The learning objectives that we are supposed to achieve includes: state the meaning of maintenance schedule, explain the purpose of maintenance schedule, demonstrate how to create preventive maintenance schedule, and finally, develop a maintenance schedule template. And now, learner, state the meaning of workshop maintenance schedule. Maintenance scheduling is the process of making sure planned maintenance work is carried out and at the right time. And now, learner, in a workshop, explain how the periodical planned maintenance of rotating machines is carried out. And now, learner, let us discuss the purpose of maintenance schedule. The primary goals of scheduled maintenance are: 1. To reduce reactive maintenance. 2. To reduce equipment failure rate. 3. To reduce maintenance backlog. 4. To increase the lifetime of an asset or device. And 5. To reduce the number of equipment repairs and replacements. And now, learners, how do you reduce the mean time between failure of a car battery? Let's look at the activities of a scheduled maintenance. Scheduled maintenance includes inspection, adjustments, regular service, and planned shutdowns. An example of a scheduled maintenance occurring at a repeating intervals is changing a bearing on a conveyor belt every 30 days or inspecting the condition of a motor every 90 days. Learner, how do we create preventive maintenance schedule of a machine? Let's go through it together. The process of developing preventive maintenance schedule includes: take inventory of machinery, equipment, resources, and tools that need regular maintenance. Number 2, prioritize maintenance of each machine. 3, list specific maintenance tasks carried out. Once you list them, develop a schedule of recurring maintenance tasks. And after that, continue monitoring and improving your schedule as per the equipment arrive. And now, learner, let's go step by step the process of developing a maintenance schedule using a template provided. Now, learner, let's go through process by process of developing a maintenance schedule of an equipment or a device. You realize that maintenance takes place periodically, quarterly, others they take place monthly. Like if a machine is being used daily, it requires to be greased every day. And this is how you go about it. Let's carry out a practical demonstration on how preventive maintenance and corrective maintenance are performed using workshop maintenance schedule. The 4 main areas include machines, floor, lighting, and ventilation. These are the 4. And then let's go step by step on how you maintain your machines and how at the same time fill your maintenance schedule. Machines are maintained after every 3 months. And once maintenance is done, you mark in your template as follows. Let's now see how you grease. You are greasing your machine in January. There you are. You come here. You fill. That indicates you have greased. After 3 months, you count February, March, April. In May, you need to grease your machines again. Come and fill. May. Be careful to select. Then you count 3 months, June, July, August, September. You perform maintenance in September. Then you mark. And as you can see, you have marked that your greasing has been done. If you are performing oiling, oiling is done after 1 month because the moving parts need to be lubricated. So you come and fill. After 1 month, you come, perform the maintenance, indicate. After another 1 month, you grease your machine. After another 1 month, you grease your machine. And then you realize that dusting is done still in a monthly manner because in workshop we have a lot of dust. The machines can accumulate dust. So you perform that preventive maintenance monthly. And as you perform, you fill to show that you have done the maintenance. So you do it every month. You do it every month. And as you can see, the template shows that maintenance is done. Adjustment is done after 2 months. So when you are starting the year, the adjustment on your machine is performed. You indicate it has been performed. Then after another 1 month, that is March, you perform the adjustment so that it may give you the reliable, and the process of adjustment continues. Then when it comes to alignment, alignment is done after every 2 months. So when you are starting the year, you do the alignment of your machine. And once it is done, you mark it is done. After 2 months, you do it again. Alignment is done so that it may function efficiently. After a month, 2 months, you perform alignment. And as you can see, we have carried out preventive maintenance of that machine in a workshop. Now, corrective maintenance is performed when one component of the machine is completely faulty. And therefore, when it is completely faulty, you are supposed to replace it. This one, you find that now it can happen twice in a year. So you come, you replace a part that is not functioning, you mark in your maintenance schedule you have done it, and then in December you come and do the same. And this makes sure, ascertains that your machine downtime is reduced drastically. So as you can see, the maintenance of the machines in the workshops are done. And this maintenance schedule template shows that. When it comes to floor you perform preventive maintenance, that is anti-slip colored paint you apply. You inspect the traffic areas, whether the spaces have been or are still maintained. Anti-slip colored paint, it is performed after every 6 months. So when the year starts, you perform your maintenance. You can see it is done. After 6 months, that is in July, you also paint your floor with the anti-slip paint. This also adds friction. Then inspecting of the traffic areas, this is done once in 3 months. You do it in January. You inspect so that at least you may avoid accident. After 3 months, you do it. You check whether it is still aligned. After 3 months, you do the maintenance again. And this now informs that the traffic is maintenance and it is free from harm from the trainees. Then floors, we also perform corrective maintenance when the floor is totally damaged and it has holes. So that one is monitored once in a year. Once you do it in January, you do your maintenance in January, you mark it is done. Then you do it in December, as you can see. Make sure you mark your schedule very clearly. And then we have the lighting. The workshop needs illumination. We perform corrective maintenance all through by replacing the faulty bulbs. If there are faulty bulbs, when the year is ending, you replace them in January. Once you replace, you must continue monitoring whether they are okay. You may find that over the April, there is a faulty bulb, you replace it. Remember, this is corrective maintenance because you are correcting the mistake. Then also you replace faulty power sockets. If you find your sockets are not giving out power, you replace it. It is not repairable. So you come and replace it. The time you replace, you must record or indicate that you have replaced. Then you continue monitoring. You find another one, like in July it is faulty, you replace. And mark your maintenance schedule so that it may keep reminding you when maintenance was done. And then the ventilations are very key because workshop require a proper air circulation. So you perform preventive maintenance by cleaning the windows. The cleaning of the windows is done every month. So you find in January, you clean your windows so that at least the air may be well circulated. Then after another month, you clean. And as you clean, you make sure you fill your maintenance schedule so that in the month that was in case it is not done, you may be able to know that it is not done. And then air cons, which filters the air, these ones are done. They are dusted after every 4 months. So let's assume that they were dusted in December. You dust them over the April holiday, and you mark that they have been dusted so that they may have produced good fresh air. Then after 4 months, it is done. And as you can see, now we have performed the maintenance in our workshop for the whole year, and our maintenance schedule can show that. And now you can go and do the same so that at least you may practice the same. Having covered the meaning of maintenance schedule, purpose to develop a preventive maintenance schedule, you are going to carry out an activity of preparing a maintenance schedule of an equipment in the workshop of your skill area. As you prepare the schedule, take a video of yourself as you develop, and then upload the video in your e-portfolio. And following all the instructions I have taught you. And now, learner, thank you very much for having gone together this area of maintenance schedule. I wish you all the best in your activity in the workshop of your skill area. Thank you very much.